passing through the point x1, y1 and parallel to line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is, now we're talking about one line. Suppose line L1. Line L1 is parallel to line L2 and equation of line L2 is given, which is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Done. Prove that the line passing through the point x1, y1. We are talking about this line L1. This line L1 is passing from the point x1, y1. So line passing through the point x1, y1 and parallel to line L2, which is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is, that means we have to prove the equation of this line L1 is a x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 equal to 0. This we have to prove. Done? Question समझ में आया? So here two parallel lines are given, slope of one line is given. So suppose this line is passing from the point x1, y1 and we don't know the slope of this line m1. But here line L2 is given. So equation of line L2 is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And here we can say that slope of this line L1 is nothing but the m1. क्या होगा इसका slope? बोलो. Minus a by b है ना. Slope of line L2 m2 आएगा. Slope of the line L2 is minus a by b. y equal to mx plus c के फॉर्म में लिखो तो क्या होगा देखो. by equal to minus ax minus c, b से डिवाइड करो. So y equal to minus a by b x minus c by b. Compare it with y equal to mx plus c. So value of the slope m is minus a by b. है ना. तो लाइन L2 का स्लोप आ गया. Slope of line L2 is minus a by b. Now we are given that our required line L1 is parallel to L2. है ना. Line L1 is parallel to L2. So L1 is parallel to L2. So if two lines are parallel to each other, their slopes are equal. So M1 equal to M2. And therefore, slope of line M1 is minus a by b. Minus a by b. So now, equation of line L1. We can write the equation of line L1. Because line L1 is passing from the point x1, y1 and its slope is minus a by b. So can we write point slope form of equation of line? है ना. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास. क्या फॉर्मूला है? y माइनस y1 इक्वल टू m x माइनस x1. स्लोप इज m1 दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस a by b. वैल्यूज पुट करो, सिंप्लीफाई करो. So this one is y minus y1 equal to m1, which is equal to minus a by b x minus x1. Cross multiply it. So it's a b into y minus y1 equal to minus a into x minus x1. Taking these terms in left hand side. So it's a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0 is the equation of line L1 that we have to prove. Clear students? Question number 11. Now next is question number 12. So here what we are given, two lines passing through the point 2, 3 intersect each other at the angle 60 degree. Angle between two lines is given. Question number 12. So two lines are there. Let's say this is line L1 and line L2. Two lines are passing through the point 2, 3. So this is common point 2, 3. Angle between these two lines 60 degree. If the slope of one line is 2, let's say slope of line L1 that is equal to M1 and which is given 2. Slope of one line is 2. Find the equation of other line. So question is find the equation of line L2 that we have to find. Done? So to find the equation of this line L2, we require slope of this line L2 and the point through which line L2 is passing is given. So our objective is to find the slope of line L2. But instead of giving the slope of line L2, we are given the slope of line L1 and angle between these two lines is given. So we know the formula to find the angle between these two lines. Done? Suppose slope of this line L2 is M2 and here theta between these two lines is given. So we know the formula. क्या formula था? Theta is the angle between these two lines. So can we write tan theta? Tan theta equal to mod m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Yes or no? Therefore, tan theta is given angle between two lines 60 degree. M1 slope of line L1 is also given, which is 2. It's a 2 minus m2 upon 1 plus 2m2. So tan 60 root 3 which is equal to 2 minus m2 1 plus 2m2. Now again modulation is there. कल ही समय आया था. If you want to remove this modulation sign, what you have to do? You have to put plus or minus sign. Therefore, we can write 2 minus m2 upon 1 plus 2m2 equal to plus or minus root 3. This is the solution of this modulation. If you want to remove this modulation sign, you have to put plus or minus sign. So consider both signs. First we'll consider plus sign and then we'll consider minus sign. So now 2 minus m2 upon 1 plus 2m2 equal to root 3 or 2 minus m2 upon 1 plus 2m2 equal to minus root 3. Find the value of the slope m2. So cross multiplication. So 2 minus m2 equal to root 3 plus 2 root 3 m2. Now keeping this m2 terms on the right hand side, this will be 2 minus root 3. Here m2 will be common. So it's a 2 root 3 plus 1 and therefore we are getting the value of m2. m2 is 2 minus root 3 upon 2 root 3 plus 1. This is the first case when we have considered plus sign. Similarly, negative sign. So minus sign again same way. It's a 2 minus m2 equal to root 3 and a minus root 3 minus root 3 minus 2 root 3 m2. तो माइनस 2 रूट 3 m2 को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर ले लो तो प्लस हो जाएगा. सो 2 रूट 3 m2 कॉमन ले लिया माइनस 1 m2 इक्वल टू माइनस रूट 3 माइनस 2 minus root 3 minus 2. Done? So here our m2 will be minus root 3 minus 2 upon 2 root 3 minus 1. Done? So these are the two different types of slopes. है ना, ऐसे दो लाइन मिलेगी. क्यों? क्योंकि ये 60 डिग्री ये लाइन के साथ ऐसे बना रहा है तो 60 डिग्री है ना, ऐसे भी लाइन मिल सकती है आपको. इस साइड भी 60 डिग्री हो सकता है. So total two possibilities are there. Done? So here slope of the line L2 is m2 and that line is passing through 3 points. So can we write equation of line? So equation of line L2 क्या होगा बोलो? Equation of line L2 passing through the point 2 3 and point slope is m2. So y minus y1, so it's a y minus 3 equal to slope 2 minus root 3 upon 2 root 3 plus 1 x minus x1 x minus 2. डन. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके लिखो, आपका आंसर आएगा. और सेकेंड लाइन दैट इज y माइनस 3 इक्वल टू, है ना, यहाँ पर माइनस साइन कॉमन ले लो तो ये होगा 2 प्लस रूट 3 और ये हो जाएगा 1 माइनस 2 रूट 3 and it's x minus 2. These are the two equation of lines. Now two possible lines are there which satisfies this both the condition. Angle will be 60 degree and passing through the point 2 3. ना यहाँ से आपको आगे सिंप्लीफाई करके जनरल फॉर्म में लिखना होगा. क्लियर? समझ में आ रहा है? Next question, question number 13. 13 number. Here, find the equation of right bisector of the line segment joining the points 3, 4 and minus 1, 2. So one line segment is given. Line segment joining the points 3, 4. Coordinates are 3, 4 and minus 1, 2. Equation of bisector, right bisector, उसको हम बोलते हैं परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. तो ये हो गया परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, ना, यहाँ पर 90 डिग्री होगा and it will divide this given line into two equal parts. Suppose this is midpoint M. So here we have to find the equation of this line L, which is perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining these 2 points A and B. So to find the equation of this line L, first we will find this midpoint, and this line L is perpendicular to this line AB, so we can also find the slope of this line L. तो यहाँ पर आपको स्लोप फाइंड करना है, that is M, and इसका मिड पॉइंट कैपिटल M दोनों फाइंड करना है. डन. तो आपका इक्वेशन मिल जाएगा. सो नाउ हियर वी कैन राइट M is midpoint. M is midpoint of line segment AB. So coordinates of this point M are, midpoint कैसे निकालते हैं? Sum of x coordinate divided by 2 and sum of y coordinates divided by 2. So it's a 3 minus 1 by 2 and 4 plus 2 by 2. So coordinates of M, midpoint, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 2, 1. So this one is 1 and this one is 4 plus 2, 6, 6 by 2, 3. So midpoint 1 3, इसके coordinates मिलेंगे 1 3. Now we can also find the slope of line segment AB, है ना? Slope of line segment AB. 2 points are given. So what is the slope? Slope is y2 minus y1. ऐसा formula था ना, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 when 2 points are given. So let's say this one is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So here we can find the slope of line segment AB, y2 minus y1, है ना? तो 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 3, and therefore slope of line segment AB is 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 1 by 2. Let's say this is M1, है ना, इसको हम M1 बोल देते हैं. M1 is 1 by 2. Now here इसका slope M2 बोलते हैं. So here AB and L, line AB and L are perpendicular to each other. So if two lines are perpendicular to each other, what is the relationship between their slope? Product of slope will be minus 1. So M1 M2 equal to minus 1, and here M1 is the slope of line segment AB, which is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into M2 equal to minus 1, So we are getting the slope of line L m2 that is equal to -2. डन। तो ये जो लाइन L है उसका स्लोप m2 वो हमें मिल गया -2. So now we can say we can write the equation of line L. Which line? Line which is passing from the points 1 3 and whose slope is -2. So can we write the equation of this line? Yes. So that is the equation of bisector. So equation of right bisector. स्केच पेन सब खत्म होने वाली है। इक्वेशन ऑफ राइट बाइसेक्टर, सो इट्स y -3 इक्वल टू स्लोप -2x-1। तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके जनरल फॉर्म में लिखे तो होगा y -3 इक्वल टू -2x + 2। सो इट विल बी 2x + y, 2x + y, ये इधर आएगा तो -5 इक्वल टू 0 इज द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ राइट बाइसेक्टर। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? इज दैट क्लियर? क्या आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है? आप लोगों को एक भी डाउट नहीं आ रहा है? नो डाउट्स? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर। कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द पॉइंट -1 3 to the line 3x - 4y - 16 equal to 0. So one point is given, let's say this is point P and this is one line. So perpendicular is drawn from this point P. So this is perpendicular and let's say this is M, which is foot of perpendicular. Coordinates of this given point P are -1 3 and equation of line is given, which is 3x - 4y - 16 equal to 0. Done? So here we have to find the coordinates of this point M. So to find the coordinates of this point M, first we'll try to find the equation of this perpendicular. Done? So this perpendicular is passing from this point -1 3 and the slope is not given, but instead of given the slope of this line PM, slope of this line L is given. इसको हम बोल दे L1 और ये लाइन को हम बोल दे L2. So L1 का स्लोप निकालेंगे, परपेंडिकुलर रिलेशन का यूज करके L2 का स्लोप निकालेंगे, लाइन PM का इक्वेशन मिलेगा, दोनों को सोल्व करेंगे तो जो पॉइंट M है उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिलेंगे। देखते हैं। सो हियर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन L1 इज गिवन 3x - 4y - 16 इक्वल टू 0। इसका स्लोप निकालना है। सो y इक्वल टू mx + c के फॉर्म में लिखें। सो इट विल बी 3x - 16 इक्वल टू 4y। y इक्वल टू 4 से डिवाइड करें, इट्स 3/4x - 4। y इक्वल टू mx + c फॉर्म आ गया। सो हियर स्लोप ऑफ लाइन L1 which is m1 equal to 3/4. Done? So equation of this line L1 is given. So here slope of this line L1 is 3/4. इसका स्लोप 3/4 है, तो क्या हमें लाइन L2 का स्लोप मिलेगा m2? बिल्कुल मिलेगा, because these both lines are perpendicular to each other. So now L1 is perpendicular to L2 and therefore we can say m2 equal to -1 and therefore 3/4 into m2 equal to -1 and therefore slope of required line perpendicular is -4/3. So slope of this perpendicular is -4/3. So now we can write the equation of this perpendicular, है ना, PM perpendicular का equation लिखेंगे. So now what we can say, this perpendicular is passing from the point -1 3 and its slope is -4/3. So equation of line L2 or L2 is perpendicular. तो क्या होगा, y - y1 equal to m into x - x1. Point slope form. So it's a y - 3 equal to slope minus 4 by 3 x minus x1. So x minus minus plus 1. So here equation is 3y minus 9 equal to minus 4x minus 4. Hence 4x plus 3y minus 9 plus 4. So it's a minus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation of line L2. है ना, L2 का equation आ गया. Equation of line L1 is given. Now these both lines are intersecting each other. These two lines are intersecting each other. So we have to solve these equations to find the intersection point. So we get the feet of perpendicular. Done? तो वो सब हमने 9th standard में किया था. How to solve this equation? Linear equation in two variables. So it's a 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. और दूसरी लाइन है 4x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. हाँ, इसको सॉल्व करना है. सो सॉल्विंग दिस इक्वेशन कैसे करेंगे? इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो हो जाएगा. देयरफॉर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 9x माइनस 12y माइनस 48 इक्वल टू 0. इसको 4 से करेंगे तो 4 4 जा 16x प्लस 12y माइनस 20 इक्वल टू 0. ऐड करो, ये कट हो गया. 25x ये हो गया minus 68 equal to 0. So value of x is 68 by 25 है ना. तो ये x आ गया पॉइंट m का x कोऑर्डिनेट 68 अपॉन 25. y फाइंड करने के लिए कोई भी एक इक्वेशन में पुट करो. से इक्वेशन 1 इक्वेशन 2 पुट इन इक्वेशन 1 और सॉल्व करो. सो वी आर गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ y. आपको y मिलेगा -49 अपॉन 25 है ना. मेरे पास सॉल्व किया हुआ है. सो y इक्वल टू 49 by 25 इज द y कोऑर्डिनेट. डन. सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. क्लियर? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं और आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 की ओर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 is same perpendicular is given. The perpendicular from the origin to the line. Perpendicular is given from origin. So perpendicular from the origin to the line y equal to mx plus c. So this is suppose origin and this is our line y equal to mx plus c. Perpendicular is drawn. So origin के coordinates होते हैं 0 0. यहाँ से perpendicular draw करना है. m is the feet of perpendicular है ना, ये 90 डिग्री. So perpendicular from the origin to the line y equal to mx plus c meets it at the point minus 1 2. So coordinates of feet of perpendiculars are given. Minus 1 2 are the coordinates of this feet of perpendicular. And a perpendicular meets line at this point m. Find the value of this m and c. Here we have to find the value of slope and c. Done. So here again these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So here we can write the slope of line OM. Done. So what is the slope of line OM? Slope of perpendicular OM 2 point form है ना, x1 y1 x2 y2. आप इक्वेशन भी लिख सकते हो. पहले स्लोप निकाल दो उसके बाद इक्वेशन. तो स्लोप होगा 2 minus 0. So 2 and 1 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. Slope is minus 2 and passing from this 0 0. तो इक्वेशन भी लिख पाएंगे है ना. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन OM क्या होगा? y minus 0 equal to slope minus 2 x minus 0. So equation of line OM is y equal to minus 2x. Y equal to minus 2x is the equation of the line OM. Done. वैसे इक्वेशन की कोई जरूरत नहीं थी, स्लोप ही निकालना था. डन. स्लोप हो गया. Now these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So let's say this is line L1 and this is L2. So now L1 is perpendicular to L2 and therefore M1 M2 equal to -1. -1 होगा तो ये क्या आएगा 1/2 आएगा. सो M1 है ना, ये जो स्लोप मिला इसको हम बोल देते M1, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन L1 M1. So it's a -2 into M2 equal to -1. So slope of required line L2 is 1/2. है ना, ये लाइन का स्लोप क्या मिलेगा 1/2. तो ये स्लोप मिल गया हमें M is 1/2 है ना, फर्स्ट आंसर आ गया M equal to 1/2. Now slope है ना, slope is given, point is given. So can you write the equation of this line L1? Slope of the line L2 is 1/2 and it is passing from the point -1 to. So क्या होगा equation? So it's a y minus 2 equal to 1/2 x plus 1. Done? Simplify it. So it's a 2y minus 4 equal to x plus 1. So equation is x minus 2y. या फिर इसके फॉर्म में लिखो डायरेक्ट. So it's a 2y equal to x plus 5 and therefore y equal to divided by 2. So it's a 1/2x plus 5/2. This equation is given y equal to mx plus c. तो यहाँ से अगेन हमें m मिला. M is 1/2 and c is 5/2. C is 5/2. Find the values of m and c. So m is 1/2 and c, y-intercept is 5/2 is the answer. Clear? Next question. Question number 16. 16 number. P and Q are the length of perpendiculars from the origin to the lines x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to k cos 2 theta. Equation of line is given x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to k cos 2 theta. This is the equation of line L1. And the length of perpendicular drawn from this origin to this line L1 is P. P is the length of perpendicular. And Q is the length of perpendicular drawn from origin to the line x sec theta plus y cosec theta equal to K. Done? So length of perpendicular drawn from this line origin to this line is Q. So here we have to prove that. What we have to prove? Prove that P square plus 4Q square equal to K square. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. So length of perpendicular drawn from origin to this line L. फॉर्मूला पता है सबको, है ना? लेंथ ऑफ ऐसे लिखते थे, लेंथ ऑफ पॉइंट फ्रॉम x1 y1 to the point to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. इसका फॉर्मूला लिखते थे d equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ये था फॉर्मूला. तो यहाँ पर इसके जगह पर ये लाइन दी है और ये जो पॉइंट है उसकी जगह पर ओरिजिन 0 0 दिया है और डी लेंथ वो पी एंड क्यू बोथ आर गिवन, है ना. 2 लाइन्स एंड 2 पॉइंट्स आर गिवन. सो नाउ length of perpendicular is given P equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus c, इसको minus k equal to 0 के फॉर्म में लिख दो and put the values of origin, that is x and y, 0 0 over here. So what we are getting, minus k cos 2 theta upon a square plus b square, है ना. So a square क्या होगा, cos theta and minus sin theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta minus sin square theta is sin square theta. So here we are getting p equal to, this will be 1, so minus k cos 2 theta modulation. So it will be k cos 2 theta. Length of perpendicular from origin to this line L1 will be like this. ये समझ में आया? Also we are given length of perpendicular drawn from origin to this line A, है ना? इसको हम कंसीडर करेंगे ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is minus k equal to 0. So put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, because we are considering the length of perpendicular from the origin. So it will be mod of minus k. Length of perpendicular is given q. So it's a minus k upon square root of again sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So this one is minus k. Now we have to solve this sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So sec square theta is 1 upon cos square theta. 1 upon cos square theta plus cosec square theta is 1 upon sin square theta. 1 upon sin square theta. Cross multiply. So it's a sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin square theta cos square theta. So numerator में जाएगा. So q will be minus k sin theta cos theta. Minus k sin theta cos theta upon square root of sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So here we are getting the value of q, and that q is nothing but the k sin theta cos theta. यहाँ पर देखो मल्टीपल ऑफ थीटा है, तो यहाँ पर डिवाइड बाय एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 कर दे. सो q इक्वल टू 1/2 2k sin थीटा cos थीटा. और ये 2 sin थीटा cos थीटा क्या होगा? sin 2 theta. So it's a sin 2 theta k by 2 sin 2 theta. This is the value of q. Say result 2. Now we have to prove this result. So let's start with the left hand side. So left hand side of the result is p square plus 4q square. P square is k square cos square 2 theta plus 4q square, that is again k square by 4 sin square 2 theta. So this is equal to 4 cut, k square common, so it's a cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. So again sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta equal to 1. So this is equal to k square, है ना? p square plus 4q square equal to k square. It is our right hand side. Hence it's proof. Done. इसको आप ऐसे प्रूव कर सकते हो. Is that clear? चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. In the triangle ABC with the vertices A 2 3 B 4 minus 1 C 1 2, find the equation and length of altitude from the vertex A. Triangle is given. Suppose this is triangle ABC. Coordinates of this point A are given 2 3, B 4 minus 1, and C 1 2 is there. Here you have to find the equation and length of altitude from the vertex A. Then altitude is given. So this is the perpendicular. AD is the perpendicular, that is altitude, height of this triangle ABC. Done. So length as well as equation of AD find करना है. So now इसका slope find करना पड़ेगा because this line is passing from this point D. Done. So first will, and it is also passing from the point 2 3. इसका slope नहीं है. So to find the slope of line AD, we will find the slope of line BC. So now first slope of line BC मिलेगा, है ना? 2 points are there. So it's a y2 minus y1, 2 minus minus plus. So 2 plus 1, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4, 3 upon minus 3, which is equal to minus 1. So slope of line BC is -1. Done. And here AD is perpendicular to BC. AD and BC are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, slope will be, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्लोप विल बी -1. डन. इसका स्लोप सपोज m1 है और इसका स्लोप सपोज m2 है. सो वी कैन राइट m1 m2 इक्वल टू -1. सो -1 into m2 इक्वल टू -1. सो m2 विल बी 1, है ना. ये जो लाइन AD है उसका स्लोप क्या होगा 1. सो कैन वी राइट इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन AD, है ना. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन AD अभी लिख सकते हैं. कैसे? इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन AD. So for that equation of line AD, line is passing from the point 1 3 2 3 2 3 and slope of the line is 1. Simple equation मिल जाएगा. So equation is y minus 3 equal to m1 x minus 2. So therefore y minus 3 equal to x minus 2. क्या होगा इक्वेशन? इक्वेशन x minus y -2 plus 1 -2 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. Done. So this is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of altitude. अभी क्या करना है? We have to find the coordinates of this point D. ना, नहीं, लेंथ फाइंड करनी है. तो लेंथ फाइंड करने के लिए D चाहिए आपको. D कैसे मिलेगा? है ना, देखो, वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस, है ना. लेंथ AD फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? वी विल फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ पॉइंट 2 3 फ्रॉम लाइन. कौन सी लाइन? इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन BC दिया हुआ है, तो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन BC भी लिखना पड़ेगा, है ना. सो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन BC?